Welcome to Key Stage 3 Science. This particular topic, we're looking at seasons. So it takes 365 days and 6 hours for the Earth to complete one orbit of the Sun. So in other words, in a year, we have 365 and a quarter days. All right. So in other words, 365 and 6 hours for the Earth to complete one orbit all the way around the Sun. We make 1 year, 365 days, but every 4 years, we need to add an extra day to make up for the 6 extra hours. So 6 times 4, remember, is 24 hours. This is why a leap year has 366 days. So a leap year means once every 4 years, we have 366 days instead of 365 days. During a year in Britain, the weather gradually changes from warm summer to cold winter and back cold again. The different seasons are caused by the tilt of the Earth on its axes. The diagram below shows how this happens. So, in the winter months, Britain is tilted away from the sun. So we're right up here, right in the north side of the Earth. So as we're tilted away from the sun, in Britain, in the UK, we have shorter days and longer nights, and we have winter when it's really cold. So when we move towards the autumn, on September the 21st, there is an equal length day and night, which means that the tilt is slightly moving towards the sun, and the days and the nights are becoming balanced in terms of their length. Again, if we're going all the way around the sun to the spring, so we'll just come around here to the spring, we know that on 21st of March, there is an equal day length and night. So when it comes towards the spring, we know that things are warming up. You have sheep giving birth to lambs, flowers beginning to grow, leaves coming back on trees, and so on and so on. And then when we're going all the way around, Britain is tilted towards the sun in the summer months, where we have long days and short nights and much, much warmer weather as well. Okay, so I hope that helps. So winter to spring to summer to autumn again. And that's how our seasons actually fluctuate. So we're going anti-clockwise here in this particular diagram in front of us. Good luck with the following questions, and we'll follow these up in our next class. Thank you.